I thought you said you were so proud of me.
I am proud of you. Yo. Can't take this guy anywhere.
Hopefully this is weather shield. Hopefully not. Dude, you got like a pile of snow on your back. Yeah. He's got 2 inches up there.
Probably get like. What, really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Fucking die.
Do I have any?
Oh, you got a shit ton.
Thanks, babe.
Are we gonna just send it to Times?
That's what I'd like to do personally, but
go.
obviously I know you guys like might have different.
No, I want to.
I'm gonna go there at some point, so
This dude hates Times Square.
I don't hate Times Square.
we just go there too much.
Hates me.
He hates
Alright,
it.
I also would like to go to a specific street before that, so I need to cut left.
No, dude.
Alright, you guys don't have to go. I'm cool with that. I already took all the photos anyway. There's none left.
It's time to play the game.
See? None these photos left. Yo, put that in the video.
Yo, that's going in.
I'll give you the clean one. Yeah, so I like this spot just because, especially for these conditions, you'll get people crossing the street with like umbrellas and stuff. You get all the water on the ground, and then you have like Times Square billboards just centered right in the back. It's kind of nice, especially with a longer lens. Like some good compression can make it look really cool. If you're good at photography.
You heard it here first, folks. Times Square. It's the place to go.
Times Square is underrated, though. Times Square is like really like, it deserves more like awareness. You know what I mean? Like more people should know about it. It's just like
Not a lot of people
really
know about it.
underrepresented area of the city.
I feel like Times Square became so overrated that it's underrated.
No, yeah, because people stopped shooting it because it got so overrated that everybody stopped shooting it. So now if you shoot it, you're actually original because no one shoots it anymore.
Exactly.
I can't feel my fingertips.
Me neither.
I'd be down to go like past Times Square to like the other side too. What is that?
What about Chinatown?
More of Midtown? Oh, I'd be down to go back. Chinatown over there.
Chinatown?
Chinatown? Chinatown, downtown. Yeah. Let's go.
No!
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, I fucked it. It's broken though.
Broke it?
Yeah.
Oh.
2 hours later.
Oh, dude. Oh, it's nuking right now.
And it's sticking, it's sticking.
This is so good, bro. like fucking 10 minutes.
We know.
Yeah, like photographing them doing a snowball fight.
Oh shit.
There's a snowball?
Yeah. Oh my god, my hands are so
Can't even use the rangefinder. I have to resort to the back LCD screen. I can't feel my hands.
This is like dry snow now.
I think my toes are soaked. Like it's gone through the leather.
Really?
Yeah.
The cross. The cross. You know what I'm talking about. That spot has been like on my pins for probably like over a year.
Really,
But,
the
like,
cross.
The cross, yeah, because I shoot very spot focused. I think you obviously know that at this point. Like I try not to overdo it, especially with people, but like, yeah, just haven't been able to get that with the conditions I wanted yet. So I'm fucking stoked, especially with snow, which is just so random. I was just gonna do it in the rain.
Yeah.
East Broadway?
So I hope that.
Hey, you lead the way.
Hoping that works.
No, on video.
But this is like actually.
Big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. It's a new year, and with that comes the opportunity to finally work on the things I've been putting off. In my case, that includes updating my website and actually putting something in these empty frames. The hardest part, sitting down and actually getting my laptop out. The rest is easy because I use Squarespace and have been for the better part of over 7 years now. They make website design incredibly easy to do for people like me that have no website design background or just have no clue what they're doing. And on top of that, it's helped support myself as a full-time creator on YouTube through my digital store. And the same could be said for you. You can start a free trial and get 10% off your website when you visit squarespace.com/Faisal and use the code Faisal at checkout.